Isn't that fun? Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed yourself and that we'll see you again soon. Bye for now!